Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about garlic, and I have a list of tips and ideas for you for when you're using garlic. Hopefully this will help you out. The list is kind of long, so I broke it up into two parts. This is part one. I will have a link to the part two video below in the description box, so be sure to check them both out so you can see the whole list. Why not simply add garlic to cooked vegetable dishes? Really easy to do and would add a great flavor to those vegetables. How about adding some minced garlic to vegetable salads? And add finely minced garlic to salad dressings. Add garlic to guacamole, salsa, and hummus. Add garlic to broths and soups. Try adding some minced garlic to cucumber or zucchini noodles. Try adding some minced garlic to baked potatoes. And add garlic to pizza. Hey, why not? Alright, this is the end of part one. Stay tuned for part two. Bye for now.